Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use full-frame lenses on APS-C cameras. Many photographers wonder if this combination works well. We'll cover the fundamental principles, including the crop factor, and explore the advantages and disadvantages. You'll learn how to make informed decisions to enhance your photography. Get ready to unlock new creative possibilities with your existing gear and achieve stunning results. Let's dive into the crop factor. An APS-C sensor is physically smaller than a full-frame sensor. This size difference means your full-frame lens will effectively have a longer focal length on an APS-C body. For instance, a 50mm full-frame lens on a camera with a 1.5 times crop factor behaves like a 75mm lens. This is crucial for understanding your field of view. Using full-frame lenses on APS-C offers distinct advantages. You often get superior optical quality and robust build from premium full-frame glass. The crop factor also provides a telephoto boost, great for distant subjects. However, these lenses can be larger and heavier, impacting portability. The good news is that vignetting, or darkening at the edges, is rarely a problem. The smaller APS-C sensor only utilizes the central, sharpest part of the lens's image circle. When using full-frame lenses, always consider the effective focal length for your specific needs. A wide-angle full-frame lens might become a standard lens on APS-C. Leverage the often wider maximum aperture for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur. Balance the lens's size and weight with your camera body for comfortable handling. Experiment with various full-frame lenses to discover new creative possibilities and achieve unique photographic styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.